How to fix Cap Cod not saving project on your iPhone. To fix Cap Cod not exporting project on your iPhone, first of all, what you need to do is open your App Store. Open your App Store on your device and make sure that internet is connected to your device. Then, once you are on your App Store, on the searching bar, search for Cap Cod application. Then see if any updates are available or not. If there are any updates, hit on the update button and wait for a minute. If your problem is still not solved, then what you can do is open your settings and then hit on the general. From there, go through the iPhone storage and search for Cap Cod. Now do offload app and then reinstall the app again. Once you reinstall it, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.